Hi, amazing family. Been a while, yeah? Oh, do you miss me? Okay, guys, I miss you all so very much. All right, welcome to my channel today. Do you think this is any liquid soap? Oh, no, 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 no. This is not liquid soap. Rather, this is a foam booster, actually. As an entrepreneur, and you produce a whole lot of cleaning products, be it laundry soap, be it bathing soap, liquid soap, or liquid wash. All right, of course you will need foam booster a lot. Now let me show you how I arrive at this. In my previous video in this particular channel, I made a foam booster with tezapone, sulfonic acid, and the caustic soda. But in today's video, I want to show you another method of producing this foam booster with SLS rice, sulfonic acid, and the sodium sulfate. Mind you, this is the type they sold to you at the chemical shop as a liquid soap. And you wouldn't know or you wouldn't believe me when I tell you. You can also make these and sell to those that makes liquid soap, those that are into soap production and all of that. Believe me, you are going to make massive money. So today we are producing a 10-liter bucket of foam booster. Oh yes, today we are going to make a bulk of this, so stay tuned. If this is what you want to watch, please kindly watch this to the end. Do not mix any. All right, because today we are going to use XLS and the sodium sulfate. All right, let's shoot. So all these are the chemicals we'll be working with today here. So I have my sulfonic acid of 750 mils. This is my sodium sulfate of 250 grams. All right, so this is my sodium sulfate. So the next one online is our XLS. This is SLS rice of 500 grams. Remember, we are going to make a 10 liters bucket of a foam booster. If you also want to make 20 liters bucket, you can add up all these. You can add them up. Like you can add up your water, you can double your water. Okay, so in this water, in this particular bucket, I have 4 liters of water. I have the remaining water of 3 liters, and the other previous one is another 3 liters of water. Okay, so it's making everything a total of 10 liters of water. So I first added my sodium sulfate of 250 grams into a 3 liters of water to dissolve it. Okay, I added my 250 grams of sulfate into 3 liters of water. All right, to dissolve. Please, you have to make sure you stir this to for the sodium sulfate to dissolve properly. Now this particular bucket, I have 4 liters of water. I'm going to use it to dissolve this XLS rice. Okay, I'm going to use it to dissolve SLS rice. Please you don't need to stir so much so that it won't leave bubbles. Okay, so the 3 liters of water I use in dissolving my sodium sulfate plus 4 liters of water which I use to dissolve my XLS rice, when you add them up together, it will give you a 7 liters of water. Then the remaining 3 liters, I kept it aside, so I'm going to use it to add up later. So now the XLS rice have dissolved properly. There is no lumps, there's nothing left again. So now I'm adding my 750 ml of sulfonic acid into my XLS rice I dissolved earlier. Please, so what you need to do when you combine these two together, you are going to stir very well. Remember, XLS rice and the sulfonic acid are the main foaming agents, or yeah, that the main surfactants we are going to make use of in this particular production. SLS and the sulfonic acid are the surfactants. Now I'm adding my dissolved sodium sulfate. Remember, this the sodium sulfate we dissolved earlier. So as you can see, it's thickening the soap already. All right, it's thickening it. So this is the kind you get in the chemical shop. Believe me, when you go to chemical shop to tell them you want to buy or you want to purchase 10 liters bucket of liquid soap or 20 liters of liquid soap, they can give you this. If you don't know much about this particular foam booster, if you don't know any different, they are going to give you this. They are going to give you foam booster as your liquid soap, okay? And honestly, believe me, you wouldn't know at all. You wouldn't know. So remember, we left 3 liters of water in the 3 liters of water in the bucket. So that is what I'm adding up to make it 10 liters. As you can see, this is very thick, so you need to add water any consistency that you want. Please do not add your water at a time. Just be pouring it little by little. Once you add, you mix. Depending what you want, the kind of thickness that you want, okay? And believe me, when you go to all these chemical shop, most of their foam booster is not as thick as the one you prepare for yourself, because you're making this for yourself. You want the best. Honestly, you want the best for yourself. But those ones you purchase in the chemical shop, at times it tends to be too watery. Of course, they want to make gain, and believe me, they make excess gain. Through this. So for you to make this for yourself, you know what you are aiming. So like me, I'm going to make use of this in the shop, so I'm not selling. Okay, I can make this and sell to other people, those into soap production, those into liquid soap. There are so many ways to make money this time around. Okay, so I'm going to make this because I can't be buying all these things in the market, in the chemical shop. No, there are things I make by myself, then make use of it. Okay, you are going to see when I'll use this particular foam booster to make my soap. Okay, just be watchful. All right, watch out for it. So I added a little color. I love this color. I used a pink color, water soluble color. Honestly, is really amazing. You're going to fall in love. I do not want to add any perfume because I'm going to make use of this myself, so adding perfume is not necessary. But if you still want to add perfume to it, that's no problem. Okay, that's no problem. So I want to use this medium to tell my subscribers that we have a working shop. We have a physical shop now for those of you in Owerri, and you will need a proper training on soap production, skincare, lip care, hair care, and all of that, and any household cleaning products. All right, you can call or chat me on the number you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so we can do one or two things together. All right, you won't regret doing this with me. Okay, so and again, if you have watched to this point, that means you love this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, like this video for me, share it with your loved ones. There are other people out there into soap production that may need this video. Of course, they would like to have a knowledge of how to make a foam booster by themselves. All right, please help me share. Okay, and please like and subscribe to this awesome channel. Like I always tell you, subscription is very free. We don't charge anything for subscription. All right, just subscribe. Okay, subscribe. So after now, I'm going to cover this, or you keep it and set it aside for the foam booster to clear. Then this is it after some hours. This is what it looks like. More, I'm loving this. The pink is really pinking. Oh yeah, it's really good. I love it. So I'm trying to show you what it looks like. I'm transferring it into another bucket, though this bucket didn't give me what I want, so I'm going to transfer it into another, this white bucket, this transparent bucket. Oh yeah, have you seen it? And it's transparent too, but I didn't leave it for too long. If I have left this for like a day or maybe 4 hours, my day, you're going to love the outcome. It's going to give you this transparent look. Okay, so this is the liquid soap. Are you not liking this? Why can't you make this for yourself and save yourself money from buying foam booster from a chemical shop? I always like encouraging you guys to at least try out new things. Okay, we are into February already, and it's ending in few days. It's ending in few days. Don't complain you did not learn anything again. This year is running faster. It's running. Okay, this year will soon come to an end again, and you also be here without carrying anything out by yourself. After watching all the numerous videos I've been posting in this channel, you will not at least try out something new for yourself. February is ending very soon. Okay, so please try out new things. All right, encourage yourself. You can do it. Honestly, you can do it. So guys, we are coming to the end of the class. How do you see the foam booster that I made? You can use any color of your choice. It all depends on what you want. All right guys, I'm going to see you in my next video, and it's not going to take time again. All right, I love you guys so very much. For my new subscribers, welcome. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so very much. You guys are always encourage me to do more. You guys are awesome and wonderful. All right, I love you guys so very much. Until then, see you in my next video. Say bye for now. Bye.